My name is Rosemary Galvin. I'm the orthodontic assistant here for Dr. Rose's office. I've been employed with him for the past 5 years, and I've enjoyed working here the entire time. This is actually my second home. The patients and my coworkers are just like my family. One of the main reasons why I like working here so much is because we are constantly getting continuing education, so we're able to educate our patients properly and thoroughly, and we're able to provide quality care for our patients. I believe that our patients are lucky that we're here, and we're lucky to have our patients.